So I asked AI to make me a Valentine's meal, and it really made me one. But to make things a little more interesting, I told it that my imaginary girlfriend likes fast food. Now for starters, it told me to make a cheesy garlic breadstick. I'm not gonna lie, that looks pretty darn good. Now weirdly, it asked me just to use 3 garlic cloves in a garlic bread, but well, I used triple the amount, and then in a bowl combined 1/4 cup melted butter, garlic, oregano, basil, salt, and pepper. Now then it asked me for a pizza dough. I guess everyone has one lying around at home, and then it asked me to roll it into 1/4 inch thick. So naturally, I measured it and spread all of that garlic butter on top of it. Evenly spread some cheese, and then cut it into 1/2 inch sticks. Now it wanted me to make into a spiral sticks, but I wanted a loaf kind of a thing, so that's what I did, and then baked it at 220 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes or until the crust is golden brown. Now that's the final result, and I was amazed by it. Stay tuned for the next one, because for the second course, we have a juicy gourmet burger coming up. Now the recipe asked for beef. Well, I used the next best thing, chicken. Then I seasoned it with some salt and pepper and shaped into patties. Then I cooked it on medium-high heat for 2 minutes on each side, and then covered and let it cook on medium-low heat for another 3 to 4 minutes. Then I toasted my buns, obviously. For the sauce, just spread some mayo and ketchup on the bottom bun. Place the cooked patty followed by a slice of cheese, lettuce, tomato, and onion, and then crown the burger. Well, it was very tasty, but there was no sauce on the top bun, so it seemed a little bit dry because of the thick patty. And now for the last part of AI creating my Valentine's meal. We have funnel cake sticks, and spoiler alert, these were really good. So we start by making a simple batter by whisking together flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt, and then in a separate bowl I whisked 1 egg and 1 cup of milk. And as you can see, it was a very bad decision using this bowl. Then I poured the wet mixture into the dry and whisked until completely smooth. Now I did feel that the batter was too thin as per my understanding, so I added a little bit more of flour. Once I was happy with the consistency, I transferred it into a squeezy bottle and poured it into the hot oil in spiral patterns. Fried for 2 minutes while flipping it in between, and once golden brown and crispy, take them out and drain. You can have it with some chocolate sauce, but I dusted it with some powdered sugar, and it did taste amazing as it is. It tastes really good while it's hot, by the way.